Hey transporters, Rails the world here slash calm, Rails slash calm slash Rails the world, whatever. So as you can see, I've been a little busy with this. From the last episode, episode 6, this is the final one, episode 7. It is how to place trains and your locos. So train slash locos and drone stock. So overall what I did, and since the last episode, is did all the grass work because I didn't want to do it on camera, and all the trees, and added in bits and pieces when I wanted, well, mostly all the scenery, just to fill it out a bit, because obviously it would take too long to do it on camera. But all I've done is trees along the side, trees here, gap here, nothing here. Road, I did the road a bit. There's another smoke, I was just testing something. It's just from a train. Trees here, trees up on the hill. Tree. I did the camera. I might add some bits and pieces in this gully first. So let's quickly do that. So right, what I tend to do, I'll show you what I tend to do. So let's put it to there, and let's quickly just add this in. This will be a shorter episode. This is not going to be long at all. I guarantee you it won't be as long as the last one, but you never know. So I'm going to add in some grassy bits to this edge, just along the rock wall, and bits and pieces like that, because I want to, and it will look a bit better. So that is white, so like that. Let's bring the house a bit, just to flesh out the grassy bit there. So there we go. So that's rough, but I mean I will finish it up, off camera, and as I said, I might release this route. I think, well, no, I say might. I will release this route, I should say, for fun, just as a little, thing to do. I'm not going to really, but again, it might take a bit. I'll put it on my Google Drive. I'll put the link out in probably after this video. So you'll see. You'll see it in the comments down below. The description down below. And if you're in my server, my Discord server, feel free to send any pictures in there with using my route, because from this series, short series that I did, because it'd be nice to see. It'd be cool to see random clips that you may, or videos, or pictures, whatever, that you might have taken from this tutorial. So feel free to do so. That is by far by me. Okay, that'll do. I might just add in a little bit more to this area. That'll do. Okay, right. So what I'll do now is definitely do the track. Not track, the engines and stuff. But let me just quickly add in a bit more of these bushes, just to kind of spruce up the place a little bit. Go all the way along the edge here. Right. Okay, that's good. Just like that. Okay, right. What I might do as well is, oh, actually I should do that as well. I wrote just over to, pretend it disappears. What I could do actually is do this. Up to there, and then it's last thing I'm going to do is just this. And move the trees off the road. So that side, 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 and there. And let's go. Like that, just so it goes there. And then also what I'll do is the wall, and I'll bring the wall to adding these little bits here, just to add in a little bit. Okay, that is all I need to do. Right, overall, it is done. So, as I said, I don't need to do any more scenery. Now on to Trainz. This is going to be a quick episode. So, right, so first of all, you have, as I said, you have Trainz tab here. You have your individual locos here, vehicle mode. So, I'm going to put down some let's put on some southern engine. So, okay, so let's do this. So we have okay, so we will put down, let's say 115 here. So 115 is obviously T9 and her tender. There we go. So we now have that. So then you put down, let's put G6 and let's go Adams. There we go. Oh, so let's put down if I can find it. Let's also put down an LNYR class. Let's say class 5 because why not? And let's also put down so G5. So let's go. You know what? Why not? So we have our engines. Okay, and then I'll put a few wagons down or something. Okay, I'll put Juke Dog down. No, not Juke Dog. No, not Juke Dog. Let's go to Suburban. Now that that'll do. And let's go 1, 2, 3. Like that. I'll put them in the station. I should make another platform with a. Actually, what I might do quickly. I could do adding a stick. Oh, dang it! Right, let me quickly. I do realise I need a platform for. I'll get rid of the station. I'll get rid of that there because what I need to do is add. Oh shit! I didn't mean to get rid of that. So what I might quickly do is get rid of this and get rid of that. Add in a quick line that comes in next to the station here for coaches and wagons. I can just put them down on. What I can do is join it. It can join to, let's say there, not there. So if I can somehow connect it, because I don't want it. No, it could be siding. It could be siding. It can just sit next to the station. That is okay. And I can just join it. Not to there, you idiot. No, not to there. To there. And I just need to straighten that, and I need to quickly see if I can straighten the join up. There we go. So let's go. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, so roughly, there we go. Actually, let me move it again. I might do it to make it tight to the station. Just pretend it's like a, not another platform, but you know, there we go. So we're at T9. T9 can take that. Let's go on the left hand side, and then let's go. The L and Y and that can then take a train together as well. What could I take? Next in vans. Okay, so that's how you do a train. So yeah, let's make them go that way, but then also let's get a different engine than send this one. So let's take off the G6 and let's put diesel on, and it'll do, where is it? Okay, so let's take you to there. Bring the caravan back. Two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then okay, that'll do. So I'm going to just press F2 now, changes back to exactly 2 thingy. Set you off. Just 10 minutes, bloody. again, I probably will release the route on my in a Google Drive on the bottom in the description of this video, probably at the top of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this again. Stay tuned for more. I may do another one of these, but again, maybe not. It really depends. I just thought I'd do this because I got inspiration, got the idea from Flying Rabbit Media. So yeah, I hope that helps. If you're in the comments down below, let me know. If you have comments, put them in the comments down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.